Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Today's video is an informative video for the beginners, for the newbies who wanted to learn Microsoft Excel. As today I'm going to perform the four basic formulas, four basic functions of Microsoft Excel, which are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So here I have divided this Excel sheet into four sections and named them accordingly. So let's start with the addition section. Here I have added the few names of the employees and the number of hours they have worked in first 2 weeks of a month. In order to sum or to add these 2 weeks number of hours, simply type here is equals to sign, then select the value you wanted to add and add the plus symbol. Then again select the second value you wanted to add and press enter. Here you can see the total sum is 7 hours the employee first Ali has worked in 2 weeks. Now simply select the cell and drag it down to see the rest of the result. Here's another option which we can do it by automatically to sum up these values. Let me delete these first. Simply select these two cells and on the top right corner you can see the feature auto sum. Just click on it and it will give the same figure 7. This is a built-in function by Microsoft Excel for only addition. Simply drag it down to see the result. Now come to the multiplication section. Here I have added the hours the employees have worked and their wages per hour wage. Simply type here is equal to sign, then select the number of hours, then add the multiplication symbol and select per hour wage rate and then enter. Here you can see the Ali has worked, Ali has earned total of $85 for 5 hours. Simply drag it down to see the result. Now come to the subtraction section. Here I have added the total salaries of the employees and the utility bills, the amount of the bills they have received. Now type here is equals to, select the total salary cell and then add minus symbol and then again select the utility bill amount and then press enter. Here remember that always enter the highest value first in term of subtraction. If you choose the smallest value first and then add this highest value at the end, the value here 19,500 will be in minus. Just drag it down to see the result. Now come to the division section. In division section, I have added the total number of marks and the marks the employee has got in one exam. Simply type here is equal to sign, then select the total marks the employer has obtained and put a sign of division, then select the total marks and then enter. Here you can see the employer Ali has scored 50%. Now drag it down to see the complete result. So this is just a basic small video about addition, subtraction and multiplication and division. Hope you will enjoy this video. Thank you.